Hi, good afternoon. Bob Webster, Keefe Real Estate in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It is Monday, November 1st. Well, we've got a beautiful fall day going on in Lake Geneva today. The temperature's only in the mid-40s, but got some beautiful sunshine going on, and some really nice fall colors are still available if you're driving around Lake Geneva. A couple of sections along the south shore and between Fontana and Lake Geneva have some beautiful colors right now, as well as the area right along Snake Road on the North Shore. Wanted to just take a moment and share with you the details of a piece of property that we have on the market for sale. It's in the Wooddale Association off of the south shore of Geneva Lake. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home built by John Matustik of Matustik Builders back in 2012. The home is the third house from the water, from the association park, and does come with a transferable boat slip. The property was just reduced in price this last week by $100,000. It's now priced at $1,695,000. Truly one of the best values out there for a property with a transferable boat slip on Lake Geneva. If you have any questions about the property or would like more information, or have any questions about the real estate market in Lake Geneva or the lakefront market in particular, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, or go to my website, lakegenevaproperty.com. It's Bob Webster in Lake Geneva. I hope you make it a great day.